In this video, we're going to go over how to do a Google Business post. This is very similar to what you have probably been doing with Facebook, but you're going to do it on Google Business, and we're going to do it on our Google Business page. So we're going to expand that out, and then we are going to go, first thing, we're going to go to your Google Business page. So what I do is I type in My Business Google, and then it comes in right here. It comes up because I'm already signed in, and you just go to that. And then once you're at your Google Business page, you can do profile updates, you can read reviews, you can post more photos, you can look at your performance, you can add products, add services, you can take bookings, you can list frequently asked questions and answers right there. And here's where we're going to go add an update. You click into that. You can add an update, add an offer, or add an event. We're going to add an update. And then I have pre-written my update right here. So I'm going to copy that. And there you can put up to 1,500 characters. You always want to use some, a few, about 5 is what I always do, some hashtags. And then there's your update. Now I'm going to pull in the photo. I've got this photo. It's actually one of my headshots of me. Just going to drop that in there. It needs to be a low resolution photo. That one's too small. Let's go get another photo. Let's go to desktop, family photos. We'll do this. See if that one works. It can't be too large, can't be too small. So there we got one's just right. And then you can put call. I always do call. Then your phone number shows up. And I try to do one Google Business update once per week. I'm not sure what the best scenario is, but you want them to be short and sweet, and then you can see your updates. So here's one from that we just did. Here's one about Chinese New Year. Here's another one about headshots. Here's another one from a hiking waterfall. So you can see you want to periodically, since Google owns most of the internet and most people use Google, doing Google Business updates has value. So you want to be sure to do that. All right, let us know if you have any other questions. Our website is realestatephotographerpro.com. Thank you.